So my parents have this griddle, but unfortunately the cheap plastic knob has completely broken off. And basically the part that engages with the control, I think it's a potentiometer on the board, you can see it's totally broken there. So it's time to make a new knob. So I fired up Fusion 360 and got to work on recreating the knob with some style changes. You can see I made it a little bit bigger, a little taller, and added that indication arrow on top. But this should work to replace the old one that broke. And next we just got to 3D print it. So here I have the STL in PrusaSlicer, and you can see I've put in a color change right at the layer that the arrow starts. So we can do the bulk of the knob, the base of it in black, and then the indicator arrow in fire engine red. And to do that in PrusaSlicer, you just add this little, click this little plus sign here on the layer slider, and you basically tell it to add the change color command into the G code, and works really well. Just basically pauses the print, lets you do an unload and reload of the filament, and away you go. You can see I had to add some supports here. That's just because the center ring sticks out a little bit farther than the outer ring of the knob. That was just the way the original one was as well, so I just copied that. So here is the finished product. You can see the Prusa does a really great job with the multiple colors. And then here is me testing it out on the griddle, make sure it actually fits on there and turns and activates the control and everything that it should be doing. You can see there's just this ring that goes on top and everything works. Thanks for watching.